Aditya Saini thumbnails are the best and most eye-catchy thumbnails, so we will look at how he creates the best thumbnails with easy steps. As always, create a canvas of size 1280 to 720 pixel. Drop the background layer on the canvas and resize it as per the requirement. Add a black gradient on the left side of the thumbnail for the text to display properly. Add the font, and the color of the text should be yellow, white, or red, as these colors are eye-catchy. Size or the text should be different as it looks good for the thumbnail. After all the adjustments, add the PNG file of the credit card and place it on the top and give it some rotation. So, our thumbnail is ready. Look how simple it was to create the best and most eye-catchy thumbnail. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button, and want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.